Donald Trump is facing serious accusations about mishandling classified documents. Trump, along with his valet Walt Nauta and property manager Carlos de Oliveira, are accused of keeping secret documents from his time in the White House and trying to hide them. Even with such major allegations, Chief U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon has chosen to delay the trial, previously scheduled for May 20th. This decision has stirred quite a bit of debate and criticism, especially from those who believe the judge is playing into delay strategies that could allow Trump to dodge the charges if he wins the next presidential election. The main conflict arises from the federal prosecution that accuses Trump of unlawfully keeping classified national defense documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida. Prosecutors say he resisted the government's attempts to retrieve these materials. Trump and his team have labeled these accusations as a personal and political attack, claiming the charges lack a clear crime and are filled with uncharged grievances meant for public and media consumption. Nauta, who has been steadfastly loyal and refused to cooperate against Trump, finds himself caught in the crosshairs. His lawyer argued that Nauta is being prosecuted out of spite because he asserted his Fifth Amendment right and refused to testify against Trump. This, they claim, is a constitutional violation. The prosecution dismissed these claims as garbage, stating it is usual for defendants to be offered leniency in exchange for cooperation. The courtroom scenes are painted with vivid exchanges. For instance, a prosecutor with special counsel Jack Smith's team firmly called out Nauta's lawyer's arguments as baseless. He highlighted that there was no ill will against Nauta and emphasized that the evidence clearly showed a concerted effort to hide the documents. Adding to the dramatic courtroom atmosphere, newly unsealed filings revealed detailed investigations showing that Trump's lawyers initially claimed all the secret documents had been handed over. Yet, the FBI's August 2022 search unearthed boxes of classified materials, including some from his own bedroom at Mar-a-Lago. Judge Cannon took a swipe at the prosecution for inconsistent redaction practices in these filings. Critics argue that her actions enable Trump's delay tactics. This case has not only political, but also legal heavyweights weighing in. Experts like Joyce Vance argue that the delays are unwarranted and that other judges would not entertain Trump's arguments. They contend that if Judge Beryl Howell, who offered stern critiques in her previous rulings, was handling the case, it would have maintained a swift pace, protecting the right to a speedy trial. Interestingly, the backdrop also involves President Joe Biden, who was found with classified documents but not charged for obstruction due to perceived differences in intent and response. This has sparked conversations about fairness and political bias in handling such sensitive legal matters. As America watches, the drama continues with a trail of sealed and unsealed documents, evolving courtroom conflicts, and upcoming hearings through July. Judge Cannon's next steps will shape not just Trump's legal journey, but could also ripple into the broader political landscape during the 2024 elections.